Hey everybody, it's Renee here, and sorry it's been a few days or even a week or so since I brought you my last video, but I have some stuff I can show you now. I was just on a retreat, my own crafting retreat, over the last weekend, and I did get some stuff accomplished. One thing I did mention to you guys last time is that I created these little books. And I was going to get to these ones, and you know what? I haven't finished them yet, but I will be, so that will be coming up in an upcoming video. So make sure that you hit that subscribe and check it out for down the road. So I will be having those come very soon. But in the interim, I just wanted to touch base on a few things. I know a lot of people are saying they'd like to see some longer videos, and I will be doing some longer videos for those of you that want to see some longer ones. And I'm going to try not to edit my videos as much as possible, so you see everything as it's happening. Usually I only edit things though when I have like phone calls or something's happening, so or my cats jump on my table, but usually there's not a lot of editing done. These are some things I'm also still working on. These are an ongoing project, and they are my traveler's notebooks. So for anybody who likes traveler's notebooks, I'm still working on these, and these will be shown as well. So I have those coming, but this one here I did show you before, and I will link the videos to this and those other journals I showed you previously up top, so you can click that link and see the full thing. I will be adding more to this, and I will show you this very soon as well. So this one is coming up, so you want to make sure you see that. But here are some of the ones that I created this past weekend. So this one here, I really liked this. It was using a Amazon package. I just covered it. I am going to go around and maybe stitch a little bit on the sides or something, we see. And then I finished it with green and some brown ribbon. So I put green on the front and brown on the back. And let's have a look. I am going to link all of the artists and digital kits I used, so you can go to their Etsy shops and check them out. Off the top of my head at the very moment, many of these I don't remember which ones I used, but you'll want to go down below in the description and check out the links so you can go and support digital artists. So there are some scrapbook sheets in this, like this is a scrapbook sheet, and I believe that was Bo Bunny, but there are some digitals, so I will show you some of these. Just some stamping, and that was a digital mushroom that I cut out. These ones are, I know for a fact, these ones are tailor-made journals. And with some of these, I might go back and add some more digitals or cutouts or ephemera or something. I'm not sure yet. But I did ink around the edges, and most of these were printed on linen paper. This was from a book. I cut out the pheasant and just glued it on. I just love all these images and these prints. They're so pretty. This was a bag from a store. I stamped on it, and these are some rub-ons and some Kathy Holden. And then these were a couple digitals. And then this was just a Rolodex card, and I have a vintage typewriter, so I typed a saying or a poem from Alfred Lloyd Tennyson, and I put that on there. Another cutout of a digital mushroom. This is a rub-on. This is a Kathy Holden fabric, and I am going to put something below here and finish it off with some print or something. I'm not sure. Something will be below here. And then I will be putting some ribbon probably up top. Another rub-on. This I believe is tailor-made journals as well. This is a glycine bag with a couple, I think these are digital, I'm not really sure. And pop those on, and then a rub-on. The rub-on is a really old one. This is a basic gray rub-on, and some scrapbook paper. I love how these come together, and this one was a lot of fun. I was on a roll and I had a lot of fun making this one. Again, some basic gray rub-ons. These I pulled out of an old book. I'm going to put these in here, I just haven't done it yet, so that will be coming up, and I will probably show the finished product once I'm done. That is a Prima rub-on. This is just a bunch of collage papers, some music paper, that's DINA WAKLEY tissue, and then I believe this is Stamperia tissue with a mushroom digital cut. This is 49 a Market rub-on and a 7 Gypsies sticker. This, you can put something inside. I just haven't done it yet. And that's 49 a Market, and some washi. Washi tape in Tim Holtz. This is a rub-on and some washi. Tailor-made journals. This is 49 a Market and a Prima sticker. And again, an opening so you can slide something inside. And that is this one. It's nice and compact. And I love how this turned out. And this has some washi as well. That's 49 a Market. And a digital cutout. This one, I had also a lot of fun making. This one I used the same type of ribbon. This was with a cracker box. And I put the eyelet things in there. This is for decorative effect because I did put 4 signatures into this one, and we'll have a look. So this was an advertising from, I think, perfume or hand soap card. These are just so much fun. And some of these I will be selling. This, you can pop something in here. I love all these digitals. Many of these also were hand-dyed papers, food and fruit dyed, and that's available for me. And my Facebook page is down below where you can buy these. So this is from Create and Play with Renee. Some Kathy Holden, some vintage ledger. I just love all these old things, vintage and all the nature. I love doing nature pages. They're so much fun. Some lace from TaylorMade. This is my own. And this, you can slide something in here and in here. Same with this one, it's open, so you can slide stuff in here. I still have lots more I can put in here that I just haven't yet, because I just did this on this past weekend, but I'm just showing you what I've done so far. Lots of room to journal and document. And then this one here is just like this. There's no, I don't believe I put any openings in this one. No, I didn't. Love this. This is from a book. And I just have some digitals, and this is, I believe, Tim Holtz, or it might be Kathy Holden, I can't remember. And it's clipped. This is TaylorMade Journals. This has an opening, and then there's just so far a tag in here, but there will be more in here. Bag with a die cut leaf or leaf system and a stamp, and this is using mica sprays. So I'm grabbing multiple pages here. Yeah, I love all these digitals. Bunch of things in here. This again is some fabric. This is a Moda 5-inch square with some ribbon and some paper down here. And I will be doing this same type of idea in that last book like I showed you. These are all beautiful digitals. Some washi and some Tim Holtz. This was a small little doily, and I just glued it down in the the three sides, and then I made this tag, and then this is just a postcard. Pop those in the top. Tag, and same thing, tags. So I made that tag, and there will be more coming in here, and stamped. This is part of the digital kit, which you're seeing a lot of, the same digital set. These are wallpapers from TaylorMade Journals. This is my own paper. This is a stamp from Kathy Holden, and then I don't know where I got that one from. It might be Kathy Holden, I'm not really sure. Digitals. This is, I just love this, with some Tim Holtz, and then these two pullouts. This is a little tag I made just from some craft paper, and this was my own, so that's also paper that I sell. A Prima puffy sticker and some 7 Gypsies, and this is a digital, I believe, from TaylorMade Journals. This pulls out. This is my own handmade paper, and there's a video for this as well. You can check out my links for that video on how to make your own paper. TaylorMade Journals. Yeah, love all this stuff. So much fun to make these tags, and we will be doing a video on tag making here coming soon. This one. This is a beautiful, beautiful kit, digital kit, which I will link down below. Yeah, so much fun. We're coming up on our last signature here soon. This is a big book, and I had a lot of fun making it this past weekend. Yeah, there will be lots more going into this one. This is all stamped on a Rolodex card, and a piece of vintage paper turned into a pocket with some washi and some Tim Holtz and Kathy Holden. Another glycine bag with a tag I made. And again, like I said, there will be more in here, and I will be selling this book. Some rice paper. This is just a framed old picture on Home Sweet Home. I thought it was very fitting. So much fun. I love creating these. I would love to know from you guys that are watching this in the comments, what do you prefer? Do you like making hard-covered journals or soft-covered, like more soft-covered or fabric journals? I would love to know what you guys like. So this is a dictionary page, vintage one with some washi, and some rub-ons and stickers and ephemera. And same with this side. Some old computer paper. So much fun to create. And this one, these are just stamps and some ephemera. Stamp. A little bit of rub-on here. And then this is the end. And this one, you can slide in things as well on the side. So this is the end of that book. That's the side and the back. So these two I made right from scratch this past weekend. And like I said, I was working on the other ones. So we will be working on those as well coming up soon here. Some other things I will be creating with here very soon are Tim Holtz's new crayons. So we will be playing with these. These are so much fun. And I didn't get all of the mica sprays because I wasn't really interested in all of them. But here are some of them. I did get some of the Halloween ones as well. Actually, I think I got all of the Halloween ones. Or no, what was it? I don't remember. I got Harvest Moon, Fortune Teller, Burning Ember, and I do have the Christmas ones, so we will be playing with those. So a lot of this will be coming up with our mixed media. So anyways, for those of you who haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe and hit the like button on my videos if you like my videos. And I really hope to see you soon. There's going to be lots more coming, and I do apologize for the delay. I've just been super busy. And also I have tons more to show you, so I will be caught up, and hopefully we will be back to posting videos every 5 days. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.